Hi guys, it's Caitlin. Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a little while since I've posted on this channel, but today we're doing an unboxing of the Sony A7 Mark III. I'm very excited for this. I've been waiting what seems like forever, but it's only been a few days. Days have gone by very slow. So let's go ahead and get this open. That was easy to open. Here's the warranty and the registration papers. The reference guide. This just tells you what accessories you can use with this camera. The English manual. Okay, so here's the camera strap. It says A7. That's weird, it doesn't say A7 Mark III. Oh well. And then, oh, that's the actual camera body. We'll save that for last. And this. Here's the battery charging cable. Oh, that's heavier than I expected. That's way heavier than I expected. That's very nice. I thought this game was a hot shoe. Alright guys, so I'm gonna probably do more videos with this to try it out, and if you want to see that, please let me know in the comments below. And yeah, thanks so much for watching this unboxing. I know it's been a while, but I'm gonna try and start doing more videos again. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!